We just
my family.
Talk to you, okay?
But he did nothing. Y'all got the wrong person. We don't even have a black truck.
A black truck, bro?
We don't have a black truck. We just came to the mall. What did he say?
But you know, I know. I record this. I'm taking this court, bro.
Okay, but don't snap.
Serious?
But what did he do?
You gonna let me talk to you? You lucky you got these cuffs on me.
Don't snap.
Take me to the
It's
front,
fine.
bro.
But what did he do?
Take me to the front now.
Can you tell us? We just came with our family. We don't even have a black truck.
No, get off me.
Jamar, don't snap. Wait a second. Come here. Come record this. Record. Follow them. Follow them. What did he do? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Get this blade straight to me, nigga.
Jamar, what are you doing? Y'all fucking racist as fuck. We ain't here with our family.
Are you serious right now, dog?
What? No, y'all, this is so fucking embarrassing.
Get these cuffs.
We are with our family. I got my baby here, newborn. Why do y'all have him?
Get these cuffs.
But what did he do? He didn't do anything.
I know.
Bro, got my ass. We with our fucking kids. You don't do that. That is so, you know what's going on in the fucking world today. We with our fucking kids.
I'm going to jail. We
don't do nothing. We stay in the house. He didn't do nothing. Do you know how embarrassing that is?
The man just said
you can't fucking.
He's still on me?
Might be the wrong one.
It is the wrong person. We told you. You asked him about a black truck, and we said y'all didn't even give him.
No.
Y'all didn't give him a chance to explain. You said, do you have a black truck? He doesn't. We don't even drive a black truck.
That nigga's arrest me while I'm in.
We're our fucking kids.
What my?
Okay, relax.
No. You ask questions first, though.
But y'all fucked up.
You don't do that. We're with our kids, but you ask questions first. You didn't even give him a chance to ask a fucking question.
No.
You can't expect him not to be upset. You can't expect him. We with our fucking kids in the mall. That's so embarrassing.
Are you serious?
But you ask questions, I get it if you thought he fit the profile of somebody else. But ask him a question.
What's his name?
You didn't even ask the question.
Stop and come. You're gonna see me again.
But you ask, you can't, but you don't do this. We're with our kids. You think he'll forget that? You think my son will forget this?
And I would like to
I know you would.
Please, Jamar, let him take them off. Just let him take
came
them
to
off.
arrest me while I'm eating, no words.
And I would like to explain.
No, ain't no explaining.
Okay. You're free to go, and I would like to
Just
explain to you
get these
what's going
fucking
on.
cuffs off me and don't talk to me, motherfucker.
Yes, sir.
Come on, let's
got
go.
your name. What's
Let's
your
just
name?
go. We're leaving.
All right, I'm gonna see your ass again, bitch.
It's all right. Just
What's wrong with
come
you,
on,
man?
let's go.
Arrest
We
me while I'm
leaving.
eating, no questions.
Before
Don't
you
move.
leave, I would
Don't
like
move.
to explain to you what's going on.
Wait, I don't give a
Can
fuck
you
what's
explain
going
to me? I
on.
want to know.
Explain it before you put the cuffs on me.
Take him. Go ahead. Y'all go. Y'all go. Explain to me what happened. I want to know.
We got a description of someone that was using stolen credit cards, okay?
Don't
That person
I got it. Let me listen.
is a black man with dreads and was wearing all black and was with a boy that was wearing red. Okay? I could show you the case. He's wearing all black.
This is them right over here.
Come on, yo.
Black man with dreads.
Another black male with red dreads.
Boy with red.
But the thing is, y'all.
I sincerely apologize. It was a
I mean, y'all just that was so embarrassing.
If he was using
And then he
Oh, man, you put me in handcuffs while I'm taking a bite from my son?
then I went to talk to him about it. I would have just taken him into custody and detained him, okay?
Nah, bro.
I understand
You did
it's
that shit all
embarrassing.
Do you have a card?
I sincerely apologize. I
You did
sincerely
that shit all
apologize.
wrong. That was
It's
professional.
fine. It's
That was
alright.
nothing. That was
Do you have a card?
stereotyping, and that's how y'all do black
It was
motherfuckers,
definitely
dog.
stereotyping because things could have been
That's
handled
what
in a
we fighting
different
for
way.
now.
It
That's what
definitely
y'all do
is.
to us. That's why we fighting for this shit now.
I understand.
Can I have a card
This
from
how we
somebody?
get treated in 2020. In 2020.
You can have a name.
That's how I get treated,
That's
bro.
fine.
You have the right to be upset, sir.
That's why we fighting. That's why they fucking y'all up.
You have the
It's
right
all right,
to be upset.
babe. It's all right.
That's why, bitch.
It's all right. It's fine. We leaving. I'll take the name and the number.
2020, nigga.
That's
the fucking
crazy.
70s.
Somebody I can contact outside of this environment right now.
2020.
So she can have my name, Sergeant. Okay.
What we march for? So we say Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter, that's what we say.
Yes, sir.
Look how y'all treat us. In front of people. Like I'm the wrong motherfucker.
It's fine, baby.
I own businesses.
It's all right.
Just give her the
Black Lives Matter. Y'all see why we fight. Fuck, niggas. Come on, man.
Thank you.
How they doing fucking